Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to another Crypto Sherpa news video. It is Saturday, August 14th, 2021, and I'm here to bring you that daily crypto news. Hope you guys had a good Friday the 13th yesterday. Probably got some tattoos out there or bought some more cryptos. But either way, let's dive right on into the news. All right. Let me share my screen with you so we can dive right on in. But beforehand, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share this with your friends, and subscribe. It does help with the algorithm. All right, first up in our articles today, we got nearly 30% of Canadians are cryptocurrency investors, says a survey. Nearly 1/3 of Canadians have entered the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being the most popular assets. According to a recent study, almost every third Canadian has allocated some funds in digital assets. Nonetheless, most locals have concerns about their crypto investments since only about 5% of them find it a safe strategy. Cryptocurrencies and meme stocks in Canada, the financial technology startup, Hard Bacon conducted a survey among Canadian adults to estimate the cryptocurrency sentiment in the country. Per the results, 28% of the participants answered they have indeed purchased digital assets. Taking a closer look, 85% have exposure to Bitcoin and 75% have some to Ethereum. While the percentages might seem high, most Canadians do not consider investing in virtual currencies as a safe strategy, since just 5% of people are answering the opposite. 21% believe buying stocks is more secure, while 65% pointed out government bonds are the safest option. Interestingly, investing in meme stocks such as Cineplex, AMC, and GameStop is a growing trend among Canadian citizens, as 13.3% of the participants admitted that they had diversified their portfolio with such when it came down to age. The poll concluded that those between 25 and 44 years old are more open to the idea of investing in meme stocks, as 30% of them have already done that. Hard Bacon warned, though, that purchasing these shares could be quite risky, as their prices are often fueled by social media and thus could be highly volatile. Canadians started showing crypto enthusiasm. According to another recent research, residents of the second biggest county by landmass have significantly boosted interest in the digital asset in the last year. Per the data, 20,783 out of the 100,000 Canadians have Googled crypto over the past 12 months. Even though the number might seem small, it still represented an increased interest of 213% in a year. As a matter of fact, the USA, ranked as the most crypto-ready country, falls behind with 14,796 such queries on the world's largest search engine. It's worth noting that Canada has one of the highest number of crypto ATMs, second only to the States. Doing the math, there is such a machine for every 26,265 people. Keeping in mind the country's huge size, there is one crypto ATM in every 2.633 square miles. The USA undisputedly ranked first with its machines at 17,436, while the largest density is in Hong Kong. So cool. So Canadians are into crypto, and more. Just I expect this number to be more and more faster growing and higher as we see probably stocks crash, the real estate market crash, and even the US dollar crash. So not just Canadians, I just see this worldwide adoption happening a lot more. Next up in the news, Vietnam leads crypto adoption in Finder's 27 country survey. Financial product comparison website Finder has released its latest crypto report, where it evaluated adopting trends across 27 countries in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Emerging economies like Vietnam, India, and Indonesia are leading the charge when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption, underscoring important use cases for digital assets tied for remittances and financial inclusions. Finder's survey of 42,000 people across 27 countries revealed that Vietnam had the highest adoption rate, with 41% of respondents claiming that they had purchased cryptocurrency. 20% of Vietnamese said that they have purchased Bitcoin, which was the highest among all countries. Although Vietnam's strong outperformance may appear surprising at the surface, Finder's survey corroborated other data showing that Southeast Asia country is punching above its weight when it comes to crypto adoption, as Cointelegraph reported in June. Vietnam ranked 13th in realized Bitcoin gains for 2020, despite having the 53rd largest economy based on gross domestic product. Regarding the motivation for purchasing crypto in Vietnam, the Finder report claimed that remittance payment may have played a significant role in these numbers, with cryptocurrency and options for migrants who want to send money home and avoid exchanges. The adoption rates are also very high throughout Asia, with 30% of respondents in Indonesia and India claiming to have purchased crypto. The figure was 29%, Malaysia at 28%, in the Philippines, and so on. So yeah, as you see, people like from the last article, and as I said before, more and more countries are going to be adopting cryptocurrency. So they're just dipping their toe in and seeing how it goes. And as long as they do that, they're going to be just fine. As long as they don't sell. Never sell your cryptos, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most likely Litecoin. Those are going to be your digital assets that are most like digital property, and you can just take out a loan like any property out there. And that's that news. Next up, this iconic 92-year-old magazine plans to hold Ethereum. It's pretty cool. US business magazine Fortune says it will hold half of the proceeds from the recent sale of its non-fungible tokens in crypto. In the first ever NFT auction held on August 6th, the magazine sold a set of 256 digital collectibles of animated cover art pieces priced at 1 Ether each. The cover art is based on Fortune's August/September issue, which is a themed crypto versus Wall Street. The collectibles sold out almost instantaneously, says Fortune. According to a senior writer and editor of the magazine, Robert Hackett, Fortune shares the proceeds will not be converted to regular currency. 50% is going to nonprofits. Oh yeah, and Fortune is going to HODL. That stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It's a share of ETH. The NFTs were designed by digital artists. How can I even say that? People pleaser without the vowels. The choice of Mint 256 editions is a nod to the 256-bit cryptographics key at the heart of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether, according to Fortune. Besides the limited edition cover art, NFT's Fortune also held another 3-day auction of special edition digital collectibles. A top bid for one of the NFTs reached 105 Ethereum. The 3-day auction closed on August 10th. The iconic publication generated 429 Ether in total from its inaugural NFT auction, according to CoinGecko. Ethereum is trading at around $3,306 at the time of this writing, giving Fortune NFTs proceeds a current value of just over 1.4 million. So pretty cool that they've. How much was that number again? Because I think that's the same amount of number they burned. They bought it at 429 Ethereum. That's right. Since the London hard fork, they have been burning Ethereum daily. You can always check that on ethburn.info. Here we go. Okay, I was a little way off by that, but they have burned 152 Ethereum within the last hour. And in total, 44,173 Ethereum. That's about 136 million Ethereum that has been burned. So that's always a cool website that you can take a look at. It's almost like the fiatleak.com, and you can see the movement of the blockchain and the movement of all the cryptocurrencies around the world. Next up, that I thought was pretty good news is that we are in extreme fear again on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index for the first time in 3 months. That's right. For the past 3 months, we've been in a fear or extreme fear territory, but we moved right back up to extreme greed. Extreme greed is back in the cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin has added roughly $20,000 since its July drop and tapped $48,000 earlier today. Following the latest developments in the cryptocurrency markets in which BTC's price skyrocketed by double-digit percentages in a matter of weeks, and the general sentiment has changed significantly, the popular Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has gone into extreme greed territory for the first time in nearly 3 months. Extreme greed is back again. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index estimated the general feeling in regards to the primary cryptocurrency by following several aspects. Those include surveys, volatility, volume, social media, comments, and more. It provides results ranging from 0 to extreme fear to 100. Extreme greed, what typically drives the most changes on the metric, is the price of the asset. Consequently, the index was deep in a state of extreme fear with a low of 10 for numerous weeks after Bitcoin started its USD descent in mid-May. However, the situation started to change after BTC bounced from its latest sub $30,000 adventure. The index went into a state of greed at about above 50 for a while. However, it has jumped into extreme greed once more now at 76. This coincided with the latest surge from Bitcoin in which it has several $1,000s an hour spike above 48,000 for the first time since mid-May. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If you go over to Crypto Fear and Greed Index right here, we are at a 76, and yep, extreme fear. This can just be found at alternative.me/crypto/fear and greed index. You can always just type in Fear and Greed Index on Google, and it'll take you straight here. If you don't know how to read Crypto Fear and Greed Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, but when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So that is that news, and I am stoked on it. And lastly, in the news, tech giant Intel owns a stake in Coinbase. The world's largest semiconductor chip manufacturer, Intel has made a minor bet in the future of cryptocurrency market with an investment in the largest cryptocurrency exchange in US Coinbase. Intel disclosed stakes in Coinbase crypto exchange. Intel disclosed on Friday that it purchased 3,014 coin shares during its Q2 ending June 26. The shares are worth approximately $787,000 at the time of publication, based on Coinbase's current share price of $261,024. Considering the chip giant's $215 billion market capitalization, the purchase seems tiny. However, it marks Intel's first substantial investment in cryptoverse. Barron's notes that Intel might have bought the shares before Coinbase started trading publicly in the NASDAQ via a direct listing in April, but the stake in Coinbase is below 5% threshold, which means the exchange was not obligated to report before going to public. Intel, however, had to disclose the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, as it holds more than $100 million in investments as publicly traded company. The company, which has been a major player in the computer processing for decades, won a patent for the system designed to improve the efficiency of Bitcoin mining 3 years ago. Intel's purchase of Coinbase stock appears to be a bet on crypto market. This is because the exchange's shares value tends to move in tandem with crypto prices. For instance, Coinbase's stock took a hit in May, right around the same time crypto assets crashed hard. The exchange stock is back on the rise as crypto bulls also attempt to push prices higher in the recent weeks. Coinbase announced its second quarter earnings earlier this week, which exceeded the expectations of analysis. According to the report, Coinbase registered $1.9 billion in transactions revenue in quarter two. The exchange stock's price soared above $293 after this earning report was revealed. And other notable companies that have acquired stake in Coinbase includes Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, which has been scooping up the exchange's shares ever since it went public. ARK Investment Managed now owns over 5.6 million shares in Coinbase, while ARK Innovations ETF owns over 4.2 million shares in the exchange per CNN. So there you have it. I guess companies are looking into Coinbase, but I never play with the stocks. I feel that has been flooded with fake money for over the years, and also I just don't trust Coinbase as exchanges. Make small purchases on there, but never keep your coins on any exchange. That's just my rule to play it safe in the crypto world. Just always store your cryptos on a non-custodial wallet and keep it hidden in all the unusual places that no one would seem to look for. But that is that news. As we take a look at the coin market cap, Bitcoin's price right now is at $47,000. Ethereum is at $3,250. Cardano passed the $2. It is up 50% within the past week at $2.19. Binance is at $4.9. Never going to say the price of XRP or Dogecoin because I don't believe in those coins. Centralized, and that one's just a joke. Polkadot's at $22.76. Uniswap's at $30.14, and Litecoin's at $181. Polygon Max at $144, and the ICP token is at $64.92. Theta is at $7.20. Way to go, Theta. And Monero's at $270. So there you have it, people. That is the daily Crypto Sherpa news video. I hope you got something from this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends. I do appreciate it. If you're just getting started in the crypto world, I do have a cryptocurrency consulting business, CryptoSherpaLLC.com. Links down below. Also partnered with a bunch of awesome cryptocurrency consultants out there at BitcoinConsultants.worldwide. They're linked down below. So go ahead, take them all, take a look at it, and sign up for our consulting today to get started. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and the Crypto Sherpa will see you in the next video. Have a great one.